Hey everyone, and welcome back to Drone Diary. The DJI Mini 5 has become the talk of the drone world. This sub-250G marvel remains shrouded in secrecy, but leaks and rumors are painting a fascinating picture. Today we'll delve into the latest intel from industry giants like Drone XL and Drone DJ, analyze potential features, and discuss a possible release date. Current status: a buzzing mystery. As of June 14, 2024, DJI maintains radio silence on the Mini 5. This absence of an official announcement fuels speculation, and both Drone XL and Drone DJ have weighed in with their insights. Drone XL highlights the success of the Osmo Pocket 3 launch, which boasts significant upgrades. They suggest this might foreshadow similar advancements in the Mini 5 camera, particularly the sensor size and low-light performance. Drone DJ offers a different perspective. Their recent article mentions the DJI Mini 5 as a possibility, but emphasizes the announcement of the Osmo Pocket 3. This could indicate a strategic marketing move by DJI, focusing on the Osmo Pocket 3 first before unveiling the Mini 5. Expected features: a speculative wish list. While official details are scarce, leaks and educated guesses paint a picture of what the Mini 5 might hold. Camera powerhouse. Both Drone XL and online rumors point towards a significant camera upgrade. A larger sensor could elevate low-light performance and capture stunning detail. Additionally, a wider lens might be on the cards, expanding the field of view for breathtaking aerial shots. Flight time for days. Well, almost. Battery life is a top priority for drone pilots. Speculation suggests DJI is aiming for a flight time exceeding 30 minutes, pushing the boundaries of the Mini series. This would be a game changer for capturing extended aerial footage on a single charge. Safety. First, obstacle avoidance is a highly sought-after feature, especially for beginners. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 might be equipped with advanced sensors, possibly including front, rear, and even downward-facing ones, to navigate complex environments with greater safety and confidence. Pocket rocket design. The Mini series is known for its portability, and the Mini 5 might take it a step further. We could see a more foldable design or lighter materials for an even more compact and travel-friendly drone. Rock-solid connection. The DJI O3 Plus image transmission technology, renowned for its incredible range and stability, might be integrated into the Mini 5. This would ensure smooth and reliable video transmission even at longer distances, minimizing frustrating signal drops. Release date. Educated guesses. Pinpointing the exact release date is tricky without official confirmation. However, by analyzing DJI's past release cycles and industry trends, we can make some educated guesses. Summer sizzle, maybe. According to Drone XL, considering DJI's usual release patterns, summer 2024 is a possibility. Summer months are prime time for drone flying, making it a strategic launch window to capitalize on peak demand. Holiday cheer or beyond. Drone DJ suggests the release might be pushed back to later in 2024, possibly coinciding with the holiday season. This could position the Mini 5 as a perfect gift for tech enthusiasts and photography lovers. Who should take flight with the Mini 5? Based on the rumored features, the Mini 5 seems perfect for travel mavens. The sub-250G weight makes it a travel companion like no other. Capture stunning aerial footage of your adventures without worrying about weight restrictions. Content creators on the go. The potential camera upgrades make the Mini 5 a compelling option for capturing high-quality photos and videos for social media or vlogging. New drone pilots. The compact size, potential obstacle avoidance features, and DJI's user-friendly interface make it a great choice for those starting their drone journey. The DJI Mini 5 remains a tantalizing mystery, but the rumors are certainly exciting. Keep an eye out on DJI's official channels and trusted drone news sources like Drone XL and Drone DJ for the official announcement. If you have any burning questions or speculations about the Mini 5, leave a comment below and let's discuss. Call to action, subscribe for more drone news, reviews, and juicy rumors. Like this video if you're hyped about the DJI Mini 5. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things drone.